Hello, my friends. We finally found the door. The key is ready, the lock is ready. But something tells me we should be careful. Hello. Sometimes we spend so much searching for a door that we forget to prepare ourselves for what is behind it. Every symbol tells a story. Every story leaves a lesson. The question is, are we willing to learn it? Look, these aren't decorations. Someone wanted travelers to understand something before entering. Many travelers reached this place, but not everyone crossed the door. Knowledge opens doors. Wisdom tells us which door to open. Wait, there's something hidden here. A message. It says, "Only those who seek knowledge may enter."
Maybe that's why the door stayed closed. Not because it was locked, but because some lessons take time.
The key is moving on its own, as if it already knows where it belongs.
The key knows where it belongs. And I think so do I.
My friends! The door is opening! My friends, it's an entire world.
The world becomes bigger every time we find the courage to learn something new.
The adventure didn't end here. It just began.
Wait. What is that? I think another mystery is waiting for us. My friends, some doors change where you are. Others change who you become. See you in our next adventure. Remember, one word, one sentence, one story. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you soon.